Good evening and welcome. I'm your English impaired monotone host Juanjo, and today I will guide you through an introduction to Hematohm, probably the simplest of the Ohmforce plugins, but also one of the weirdest. Then, of course, each and every one of the Ohmforce plugins is also one of the weirdest Ohmforce plugins. Amen. Okay, so this is Hematohm's funky user interface. First off, the shifting amount here is the heart of the plugin and represents the amount of frequency shifting that will be applied to the incoming signal. You can shift up and down. Up and down. Now, we also have a mix control, which defines how much of the incoming and processed signals will be mixed at the output. Note how the parameter display here shows the value of the current parameter at all times. Hey, listen, it's a phaser. The frequency shifting can be modulated via an envelope follower and an LFO. With the envelope follower here, you can force the shifting to follow the amplitude of the incoming signal, according to its amount, attack, and release parameters. Note how the amplitude peaks such as kicks and snares are shifted up or down, while the hats and cymbals remain more or less the same. Kicks up and kicks down. Kicks up and kicks down. Now, right below the envelope follower, the LFO here allows a continuous modulation of the frequency shifting. You can choose among 10 different LFO waves, ranging from the humble sine to the unpredictable noise. Also, the LFO can be synchronized to the tempo of the host, as seen here. Or it can also run free as a bird, as configured here. And last but not least, we have a delay section with the usual time and feedback controls. The delay time can be synchronized to the tempo of the host as well. Or run free as a bird. It's also capable of very short tuned delays. The funny thing here is that the frequency shifting can be placed within the delay feedback path, which allows for bubbly, resonant splashes. And also, if you excuse me here for a sec. It can also do infinitely shifting delays, like this. And this. And this. And that's it for an introduction. If you have any doubts or questions, please refer to the Hematohm's user manual. And of course, enjoy your Hematohm, one of the Ohmforce plugins.